Okay, boys and girls, we're going to be practicing writing the time today. Yesterday we drew the hands on the clock. Now we just need to write the time, the digital time. So look at the first one. Where is the hour hand pointing? To the 10. And the 12, it's pointing to the 12, so we know it's going to be o'clock. Okay? Let's look at the next one. The hour hand is pointing to the 7, and the big hand is pointing to the 12, so it's o'clock. Now, on the third clock, it's halfway between 11 and 12. So it's past 11. It's not to 12 yet, so we write 11. And then it's down here at the 6, so we write 30. Okay? If we look at the last clock on this row, it's gone past the 4, but it's not to 5, so we write 4:30. Okay, look at the next row. It is gone past the 12, but it's not quite to the 1, so we write 12:30. This next one, the hour hand is pointing to 3, and it's at the 12, so we write o'clock. The next one, it's pointing to the 5 and the 12, so it's 5 o'clock. If we look at this one, we have, it's between 7 and 6. So it has not gotten to the 7 yet. It's still on the 6. So we do 6:30. Now on the strawberry clocks, we need to draw the time. This one says 7:30. So it's past the 7, but not to the 8. So we draw 7:30. The next one has us pointing to the 11 and the 12, 11 o'clock. And the last one says 3:30, so we're halfway between the 3 and the 4 and down to the 6. Now if we look on the back, we have some more part, whole. Remember our cube strategy. We circle important words, underline the question, box the important words, evaluate what we can do, and solve. So Jill had 13 dolls. She gave 3 dolls away. How many dolls does she have left? Left is a subtraction word, so we know our whole is 13. She gave 3 away. So 13 minus 3. Use your number line to help you solve that problem. 13 minus 3. Yeah, it's 10. Very good. Next one. Tom's mom gave him 2 marbles. His dad gave him 9 marbles. How many marbles does he have all together? All together, what kind of a word is that? Addition or subtraction? Yeah, it's an addition word. So that means we're looking for the whole. So we have 9 plus 2. Use your number line to help you find 9 plus 2. That equals what? 11. Good. Next problem. Ned ran 2 miles. His mom ran 14 more miles. How many more miles did mom run? So more, how many more means I'm going to be subtracting. So I know my whole is 14 and one of my parts is 2. 14 minus 2. What does that equal? 12. Very good. Oops. Okay, 3 more. Mike has 11 sticks. He gave 5 sticks away. How many sticks does he have now? So I know that if I have the whole, he had 11 and he gave 5 away. I'm going to be doing 11 minus 5. So use your number line to find 11 minus 5. And what does that equal? 6. Okay, 2 more. Rob read 6 books alone. He read 13 books with his mom. How many books did he read in all? And in all is our important word. It means we're going to add. So if we know one part is 16, one part is 13. So 6 plus 13. Go ahead and use your number line to find that answer. 19 is the whole. Very good. Last one. Sam got 8 blocks. His friend gave him 7 more. How many blocks does he have altogether? And altogether, we saw up on the second problem, that means we're going to add. So I know that one part is 8 and one part is 7. 8 plus 7. We can use our near double strategy, and if we do that, we know that the whole is what? 15. Very good, boys and girls. Go ahead and show your teacher your paper and do what you're supposed to do next.